Hey everybody, Mike here in the BFH garage. Welcome to Spring Creek, and as you know, that first obstacle comes up fast, known as the wall. This thing keeps getting washed out more and more every year. As you can see right here, this thing is going to be a bear. So first obstacle requires spotting. This is the hardest obstacle on the trail. There's an illegal bypass to the right now, but we need to go up that slab. Crawl it, take it slow. Stay driver, now come passenger just a little bit. Now turn passenger. Up. Easy there, boy. Yep, that's it. All right, see me crawl it first, if not, then we'll bump it. Oh, easy, 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 easy. Hold it right there, hold on. Get that piece of crap out of here.
I wouldn't let it ride in the cab.
Yeah, just crawl it, you'll be fine. Just hug that left side. Stay left. Yep. Driver's gonna drop as this side comes up. There you go.
A little bit. Just a little.
You guys wonder if you had enough horsepower to get up that thing or not, but I guess you did.
You ain't got enough force.
Try not to.
Hey, Adam, stay driver, stay driver, stay driver. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Slow, driver. Okay, you're gonna come up. His laugh is hilarious. Here we are at the infamous mine. You see that mine shaft back there? We're gonna go take a peek on inside, but I always tell everybody, if you're going in a mine, very dangerous. I highly advise against it. Bring your oxygen meters, whatever you can to keep it safe, but do it at your own risk.
So they used to pull buckets up with that winch or what?
Yeah, they carry everything out of the winch.
So it was air powered, right?
No hydraulic.
Oh,
So types of work.
I thought a lot of these were like all air powered.
So you see this up here on the wall? A lot of people think that's a stick of dynamite. It's actually, they drill a hole in there, put a plug in there, and that's where they'd hang their lanterns and lights from.
Oh. It looks like a,
Quite a scene.
Just everybody be careful of that if there's not enough light over there, but you can go this way a little bit
You
further.
can, look at that cork scene right there. This job is like my nightmare.
Tell everybody watch your step right there.
yeah, watch your step, folks.
Watch your step.
Hold on the right.
Trip hazards.
Right.
Right here, watch yourself.
Big old cave in here, left.
Another level way up there.
Hole right here again, this is in this one.
Oh, this is the one that has the stuff up top. So you got another hole going up. Then this one goes,
That drops off right there, it caves in.
that's all caved in, yes, that mine's toast right there. But it'd be cool to get across there and see where that goes.
For sure. Yep. Well, double up. Back and come up. There you go. Come on, stop. Our driver come up. His bumper's hooking right now. Stop right there. Hey, somebody put a rock right where that tire was.
You don't step no.
Do the fucking rock.
I don't rock step.
You want your weights in? Because you're undercut on that side.
Stop digging yourself in a deeper rut.
Humble pie, sometimes you're the rock, sometimes you're not.
Throttle, baby, throttle. You go undercut on your passenger. Rock and roll, buddy. You gotta go to the bathroom now up there? Just ignore that noise, it'll be alright.
There, yep.
that!
Hold on, hold on.
Woo! Oh!
Stay there. You got it. Not too much more.
Woo!
Woohoo!
Rowdy!
What a professional.
Yeah, nice rock stack. Just a bumper.
Checking armor.
Nice.
Woo!
I got a nice shot of your undercarriage.
Excuse me?
Well, that one's way better looking than the other one. Carriage is bad as you're saying you're coming in from behind.
Right up the tailpipe. You might swing off on this side. You're coming up on the right side. Hard passenger, hard passenger. Hello. That was all rear diff. What do you mean he can't bump it? Like I was saying, some days are good, some days you can't get over squat. And I want to be very clear, they stacked rocks for Doug so he'd get up over that, so don't give him any of that credit.